Rizalians, we're here at the University of St. Lasal to ask one simple question. Do you really know Jose Rizal? He's on our books, in our coins, and even has a subject up to him. But how do much students actually know the man behind the title National Hero? Let's find out! Tara! Campus tour tayo! Rizal Edition! Hi! May I ask you one question?
Sure.
Do you know Jose Rizal?
Oo, yung nasa piso, yung maraming jowa.
Hi, Miss!
Oh,
May I ask you one question?
Yeah, sure.
Do you know Jose Rizal?
Siya yung nakatayo sa Luneta Park? Yung binaril sa likod?
Those answers was funny but a little bit of sad. Pero let's interview one student pa. Let's go!
Hi, Miss. May I ask you one question? Yeah, sure.
Do you know Jose Rizal?
Yes, I know Jose Rizal. Dr. Jose Rizal is our national hero who was born at Calamba, Laguna on June 19, 1861.
A brilliant student, he became a doctor, writer, and patriot. Studying in Europe, he saw the injustices happening in the Philippines under Spanish rule. He used his pen as a weapon, writing Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, novels that exposed corruption and inspired Filipinos to fight for reform. Rizal returned home but was exiled to Dapitan, where he served as a doctor and teacher. Though he didn't support violence, he was linked to the revolution and sentenced to death. On December 30, 1896, Rizal was executed in Bagumbayan. His courage and intellect made him the national hero of the Philippines. Rizal proved that words are powerful and that true love for country means fighting for justice even without picking up a sword.
At yun ang kwento ng ating pinakamamahal na bayani na si Dr. Jose Rizal. Siya pala yun! Buti alam ko na.
At ngayon, nalaman na natin na hindi naman pala lahat ng kabataan ay nakalimutan na si Dr. Jose Rizal. Meron pa rin palang ibang estudyante na kinikilala pa rin siya. So, that's a wrap! Hanggang sa muli! Bye-bye!